Hello, and in this video I'm gonna show you what's the default pin on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150 for parental controls. So in order to actually access our parental controls, we'll need to press on our home button right here and then navigate this menu by pressing the arrow keys. So now let's move up to the settings, and from here go to the system. Now scroll down to the parental, press OK, and from here it will ask you for the pin. So there's actually two pins that can be set on your TV screen, and the first one is 1 2 3 4. So simply enter 1 2 3 4 on this keyboard right here. But as you can see, it's not for mine. For mine it's actually 0 0 0, but I'm just showing you both of the pins possible for default version. So now let's enter 0 0 0 0, and our default pin unlocks the parental controls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.